Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a fantastic product called FlowForce Max. We'll discuss its unique formulation, benefits, and where you can buy it. So let's dive right in. FlowForce Max is a dietary supplement designed to support prostate, kidney, and urinary tract health for men of all ages. It is a proprietary blend of natural ingredients that offers numerous health benefits without any adverse health effects. The active ingredients in FlowForce Max include Graminex flower pollen extract, grapeseed extract, saw palmetto extract, and oregano leaf extract, among others. The supplement is made in the United States in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility using 100% natural ingredients. The supplement is easy to use. Just take one dissolvable tablet daily, letting the tablet dissolve on your tongue to support prostate health. All purchases come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. The supplement is non-GMO with no stimulants and has a 5-star rating with over 12,600 reviews. According to the manufacturer and multiple reviews, FlowForce Max has no reported side effects. The formula is designed for all ages and medical conditions. However, it is vital to note that the supplement might not be suitable for everyone, and individual reactions can vary based on a person's unique physiology, existing health conditions, and interactions with other medications or supplements they may be taking. As there are no reported side effects of FlowForce Max, there is no specific timeline for when side effects might appear. However, it's always recommended to monitor your body's response when starting any new supplement regimen and consult with a healthcare provider if you notice any adverse reactions. There are no serious side effects associated with FlowForce Max reported in the available resources. The manufacturers emphasize its commitment to delivering results without the baggage of side effects. They have carefully curated its formula to minimize the likelihood of adverse reactions. However, as with any supplement, individual reactions can vary, and it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. FlowForce Max is a natural supplement designed to support the health of the prostate, kidneys, bladder, urethra, and the reproductive system in men. It's like a chewable candy that's easy to take and offers a range of benefits. These benefits include promoting prostate health, increasing energy, and reducing anxiety. It also helps to safeguard the bladder and urinary tract from fungal infections. If you're dealing with prostate-related issues, FlowForce Max could be a promising solution for you. In the vast landscape of health supplements, FlowForce Max stands out for its commitment to safety, efficacy, and inclusivity. Unlike many prostate supplements today, FlowForce Max is relatively affordable and doesn't contain harmful stimulants. It's a natural supplement that many men are turning to address their prostate-related issues. The formula features a unique blend of all-natural ingredients backed by scientific studies, supports prostate health, promotes urinary flow, and alleviates BPH symptoms. The manufacturer recommends chewing one candy per day for better results. This makes taking the supplement much easier than most prostate supplements. However, it's always a good idea to follow the recommended dosage instructions provided on the product label for optimal results. If you have specific concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Unlike some other supplements, FlowForce Max is not available on large online stores like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or other online stores to ensure customers receive only authentic and reliable products. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with FlowForce Max in the comments below. See you in the next video.